Are you tired of chasing high-yield savings accounts, only to find out they don't live up to the hype? You've worked so hard to save what you have, despite rising costs, and all you want now is a safe place to grow your savings. It's frustrating when the accounts that seem promising end up falling short with hidden fees and tricky terms. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise and find the perfect high-yield account? In this video, I'll show you how. Let's get right into it. Finding a high-yield savings account that actually works for you doesn't have to be difficult. By focusing on a few key factors, you can ensure your savings grow steadily without any unexpected setbacks. Here are the 5 crucial factors to consider when choosing the best high-yield savings account. Number 1, annual return. Make sure the annual return is high enough to combat inflation. Ideally, you want an account with a return that significantly outpaces the current inflation rate. For example, if inflation is around 3%, aim for a return of at least 4% to ensure your savings are growing in real terms. This ensures that your money retains its purchasing power over time. Number 2, fees. Choose an account with no monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, or any other hidden charges. Even small fees can add up and erode your earnings over time. Look for accounts that are completely fee-free or offer transparency about any potential costs. This way, you can be confident that every dollar you deposit is working for you. Number 3, minimum balance requirements. Opt for accounts with low or no minimum balance requirements. Some accounts might require you to maintain a high balance to earn the advertised rate, which can be restrictive. A good high-yield savings account will allow you to earn top returns without needing to keep a large sum locked away, giving you more flexibility with your funds. Number 4, accessibility. The account should offer easy access to your funds without compromising your returns. Ideally, you should be able to withdraw some money when needed without losing any interest or facing penalties. Look for accounts that provide clear guidelines on when you can access your money without affecting your returns. This ensures you can manage your savings with flexibility while still earning a great return. Number 5, account features. Look for additional features that enhance your savings experience. Features like automatic transfers, savings goals, and alerts can help you stay on track with your financial goals. A user-friendly app or website is crucial for tracking your savings and managing your account with ease. Ensure the account offers tools and features that align with your financial habits and goals. So, what does the ideal high-yield savings account look like? It would offer an annual return around 5% to stay ahead of inflation, have no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and provide easy accessibility with clear guidelines on withdrawals. Plus, it would come with a top-notch app or website to keep track of your savings effortlessly. This combination ensures you get the most out of your savings without any hidden pitfalls. By focusing on these 5 factors, annual return, fees, minimum balance, accessibility, and account features, you can confidently choose a high-yield savings account that works for you. These criteria are universal and will help you find the best savings account no matter where you live. I'd love to hear your thoughts on which high-yield accounts you're considering. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making your money work harder. Thanks for watching.